Hello, my name is Demetris Theodoulou, and this is my journey on eToro. I chose eToro because of the plethora of options for trading assets and because it's based in Cyprus and I'm a Cypriot investor, so I felt comfortable risking my money with eToro. My investment strategy is contrarian investing with a long-term horizon. The hardest part of my investment journey is to trust my convictions and have faith in my choices. It was the very first COVID that changed everything for me because I did not expect it, and it was such a good surprise that I know someone who didn't know me trusted me with his money. The most valuable lesson I learned my first year on eToro was patience. You have to be patient and you have to let things come to you. It takes time, but patience is invaluable. I adapt changes in markets by remaining flexible, humble, and ready to react to new developments. Someone should copy me because I'm very transparent. I share every trade, I keep up with developments, and my track record speaks for itself. I outperformed the S&P 5 of the last 6 years, and overall,